मॉर्निंग ट्रेड्स के बारे में सोचते सोचते माइंड मसल कनेक्शन ना मिस हो जाए. Don't sweat it. Punch makes trading so simple. You can do it while you sip your protein shake. Let's go. First things first, shake, shake, shake. Now on Punch, you trade right from your spot chart. Quite cool, no? On the right are your strike prices. Tap on one and boom. Call and put premiums. Let's take a put option. Tap on put, change your lot size. Buy, sell. Easy peasy. Let's do a market order here. Quick look at the market depth. Looks fine. And punch to buy. Wait, is that your P&L? You mean you can see it right on your chart? Nice. Just a heads up, using punch with one hand is easy. But spotting your partner, बिल्कुल risk नहीं लेने का. Back to the trade. When you're ready to exit, you see that X? Tap X to exit. Punch to sell. Keep your eyes on the chart, enter and exit in 2 taps. That's how you punch it. Crushed it. Workout B or trade B. Trading options doesn't get simpler, right? Now check out our complete playlist to see how Punch makes it so easy to place, track, manage and protect your moves and options. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.